Welcome to SketricGen. Let me show you how easy it is to build your own team of AI agents without any prior technical knowledge. So the three core components are agents, tools, and handoffs. Let's understand these with the help of an example where we're going to build customer support agents that can handle basic questions and schedule demos. An AI agent is basically a language model like ChatGPT that can generate text and think. Since we're building an AI employee, instructions are like job descriptions. So for this, we're going to write the instructions with the help of AI. Create Lena, the front-facing client supporting agent, and she's going to read documents and answer basic customer questions. Then tools are exactly what they sound like. These give agents the capability to actually perform actions and tasks and not just write text. So with file search, they can look up knowledge bases. With web search, they can search the web. With image generation, they can generate images, call MCPs, and we have more than 2,000 applications. And for this example, we're going to use file search and we're going to select SketricGen documents. Creating this is very easy. You drag and drop PDFs, or in this example, we scraped it from SketricGen documents. And the last concept is to understand handoffs. This is how agents interact with each other. When you actually publish this workflow, you will get messages from either the widget on your website or any of these applications. They would come to the first agent, and from there onwards, you can define how this task is completed. So in this case, when the user asks to schedule a meeting, forward it to Alex. And similarly, I'm going to create Alex, which is going to schedule meetings. You can use Google Calendar to schedule demos of 30 minutes, never book on an existing meeting, and also attach a Google Meet link to the scheduled event. And that's it. I will directly just give Alex access to Google Calendar. And this is how easy it is to connect a new tool. You would select the right actions. Let's remove delete from here. And you will just connect it using the Google pop-up. I've done it once, so it doesn't ask me. So now our two agents are ready and we can see how the customers would interact with them. That sounds nice. Can you schedule a meeting for 16th January 2026? So that worked pretty well. I can see the detailed traces for each message that I sent and see exactly the thought process of the agent. I can customize the widget to match my brand colors, and I can immediately go back to the AgentSpace to make any fixes required. Once I'm ready, I can directly publish it to my websites as an iframe or chat bubble, or connect to these different integrations that we have. And a quick fun fact that this chat widget here was also created in SketricGen in a very similar way as we made this. So go ahead, start creating your own AI workforce today.